Hello guys, if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Coach Pimp and I teach people how to make money online. But today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from just checking BECE result, because BECE, they're about to release that result on 31st, and this is your chance to leverage this opportunity and make money as a Ghanaian. I don't know about the other country, but if you're in Ghana, this is the chance for you. If you need urgent money, this is the time for you to just make money for yourself, right? So I'm going to show you everything step by step, so stick with me. If you haven't saved it, save it right now and subscribe to the channel as we dive into it. Okay, so let's dive into it. Just go to your Chrome, make sure that you go to Chrome. Let's dive into it. So go to your Chrome, type on Chrome like this, and go to the search bar. Yeah, that is the search bar. Go to the search bar and type WASSCE. Okay, tap WASSCE. Yes, you can see it here, WASSCE. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this one. So WASSCEchecker.com. so you can see this one here, you can see it here. So you can type on this one. So check WASSCE result instantly. So let's type on this one and let's wait for it. So this is it, right? This is it. So if you haven't registered, make sure you're going to register and log in, right? Make sure you're going to register. It is free. So not waste time. This is what you're going to do. You can go to the dashboard, you can type here, you can see home, you can see buy voucher, you can see check results, SHA placement, you have track order, right? This is when you do replace result or you do anything and then you are not getting it. Okay, so you can see it here, 5,000, 50,000 plus result check. You can see the voucher here. So what you are going to do here is, right, you can see the price. So BECE voucher, that is what 19.5 city 5 cities, right? And you can see what WASSCE voucher, that is 19.5. so this is very affordable for you guys. So this is what you are going to do. Just add some to it, but before you add some to it, make sure that you're going to check the price in the market. This is what will help you to just make a lot of money for yourself. So check the price and then reduce it more. You know, Ghanaians, if you're Ghanaian, you know what I'm talking about, right? Make sure you're going to reduce the price so that people are going to trust you and people will be coming to you to buy. Okay, so make sure you're going to reduce the price a little bit, even if it is, let's say, even if it is 50 Ghana cedis, or even if it's 40 Ghana cedis, make it at least 35. Even if it's 50, make it 45, so that you attract a lot of people. Now, so after you are done, you can see it here, 19.5. so just you can do the calculation. If one it is 50 cedis, 45, you can sell a lot of money. So let's see, if one person check, they're going to make, I think the it's going to be 20, it's going to be 21, right? 21 profit per one person, right? Per person. So you can see instant BECE result. So either you buy the voucher and do it for them, or either you buy the voucher for them, because some people will just be like, oh, they want to check it themselves. So either you buy it and then you give it to them, or either you check it yourself, right? If when you want to check it yourself, this is what you're going to do. You can type on the instant BECE result, that is 27 Ghana cedis. For that one, you will not go and do extra thing. They will do it for you. When you buy on the check now, you just put in the details. So let me try and do something for you guys to see. So when you tap on it, yeah, so you can see 27 Ghana cedis. That is BECE. What you're going to do, you're going to put the index number inside. You're going to put the year. You're going to put the year there. It is what, up to 2020. I think they released it. So you just check it. And then you type what the mobile money number. That is what you're going to do. You're going to type the mobile money number. That is where they will deduct the money. That's where they will deduct the money. Then we type the check now, and they will do it for you instantly. They will send everything, the PDF, everything to you. So if you want it like that, you can do it. But if when you want to do it yourself, you can just buy the voucher and do it. So when you are done, this is the amazing thing. When you are done, don't just keep quiet. Okay, when you are done, don't just keep quiet, because right now I think I'm done showing you this, but there's something that I really want to show you. What you are done, when you are done, this is what you are going to do. Don't keep quiet. You have people around you. If you're in your community or your area, you can just tell them that, oh, you check BECE and it is very, very affordable. They can afford it. So they will just come to you. When you tell them the price, they'll come to you. And also, it's not, you don't have to get only leverage only on your community or your area. You can also create a flyer. So you can just go to, let's say something like this. Let's go to ChatGPT. I want to show you everything practically. So let's go to ChatGPT and see if it is going to work. Alright. So let's go to ChatGPT. So here that ChatGPT. Let's type on ChatGPT and see what he let's see what it is going to give us. So let's say give us let me just use simple English. Okay, so let me just try to use the audio. So give me a flyer about result taking. So make it hyper realistic and include BECE result voucher checker, SHS replacement, SHS result checker, include everything. I hope you know what I'm saying and you understand what I'm saying. So make it like that and add someone who is trying to just check results. Make it hyper realistic, right? Add it into the flyer. So let's see something here. So this is just an example. So say that, so give me a flyer about result checking. So make it hyper realistic and include these results checker voucher. That is voucher. Okay, let's do the correction. You can do the correction here. Okay, so that is voucher. Alright, let's see. So that is your voucher. Alright, so let's send it and see what it is going to give us. Because I don't want this video to be so long, so let's go straight to ChatGPT. The reason why I don't want to just do correction, it's understand and it's going to give us very nice flyer. Just wait for it and see what ChatGPT give us. Very, very nice flyer. Alright, you see it. I told you that's the reason why I trust ChatGPT. You can see it here. Let's type on it and see something. I really love ChatGPT. You can see they said that check your result fast and easy. All result checks in one place, quick and accurate, safe and secure, trusted platform 24/7 available. So you can see it. SHS result checker, BECE result checker, voucher checker, SHS placement. You can see everything hyper realistic. Just save it and post it on your WhatsApp status, and also you can tell your friends that they should help you share it. Simple as that, and you see that people will be coming to you. Simple as that. That's how you can make money from this free website. You don't have to use money to just register and be making money. Just register, go there, go and do it and start making money for yourself. So this is how you can check BECE results. Very, very simple as it is. So see you in my next video that I teach people how to make money online as a Ghanaian. So if you're a Ghanaian and want to know more about how you can make money online, I'm the founder of Known Academy. Just message me or just check the link on my bio or in my description, and then chat me on Telegram. Then I'm going to reach out to you and give you access to the breakdown video that teaches you everything I need to know about this business. Simple and fast. See you. Don't forget that your break is started. It takes only one step to get closer to it. Bye.